Now widen it into a bowl by pushing from your left.
Ugutom na.
Straighten. Slip your tongue, push with this part. Relax. Gently push. Maintain that pressure. Slide up. Push. Sige, tuloy mo lang yung packet. Akyat. Akyat.
Up.
Yan. Until the tip. Until the tip. Until the tip of the plate. Hold it there. Isa pa. Spread your hands. Isa pa. Sige, ikaw na para ma-experience mo. Wala tong pressure. Push. Push. Harder. 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 Slowly ang pag-akyat. Hold it. Hold it there and push harder. Until the tip. Until the tip. When you get to the top, pag mong bitawan ka agad, hold it to balance. Hold. Hold. And then release. One more time. Do it on your own this time. Same thing as we did. Go. Wet your hands.
Wet.
Push outwards. Push muna bago akyat. Push muna. Papunta sa akin. Or pupunta sa akin. Push. Push. Yan. Slide up. Slide up. Akyat. Hindi lang tulak. Akyat. Hold it there. Hold it there. Don't push too hard. Release your hands. Ayan.
Wow.
Man sinigang.
Good mo sa kanina.
Ibig sabihin yung mga naman hindi ganun.
Hindi, perfect din naman yun. It's perfect ko eh.